This is the compact GBH 223 REA Professional Rotary Hammer, the professional solution for dust-free drilling. You can fit the dust extraction unit very easily and without any tools for clean and dust-free working. The GBH 223 REA Professional is ideal for everyday use and impresses with its low weight. Thanks to its extremely compact design, you can also work comfortably overhead. To drill larger holes, you can replace the bit with an SDS Plus core cutter in no time. It enables effortless, dust-free drilling of holes up to 68 mm in diameter. Experience the most compact solution for dust-free drilling with the GBH 223 REA Professional.